38 zero-calorie foods that are surprisingly filling. One of the most challenging aspects of weight loss is cutting back on calories. Many low-calorie foods can leave you feeling hungry and unfulfilled between meals, making it much more tempting to overeat and indulge. Fortunately, plenty of healthy foods exist that are both filling and almost zero in calories. So first, what makes a food zero-calorie? The FDA legally allows manufacturers to label anything with less than 5 calories as having 0 calories. The thinking behind negative calorie foods like celery or cucumbers is that you expend more calories digesting them than they contain, hence, you'll burn calories merely by consuming them. Which foods have almost 0 calories? 1. Apples. Apples are highly nutritious and one of the most popular fruits in the world. 1 cup 125 grams of apple slices has 57 calories and almost 3 grams of dietary fiber. Since your body has to burn energy to digest apples, the net amount of calories provided by this fruit is probably fewer than reported. 2. Arugula. Arugula is a dark, leafy green with a peppery flavor. It's commonly used in salads, is rich in vitamin K and also contains folate, calcium and potassium. 1/2 cup 10 grams of arugula has only 3 calories. 3. Asparagus. Asparagus is a flowering vegetable. 1 cup 134 grams of asparagus has only 27 calories and is rich in vitamin K and folate. 4. Beets. Beets are root vegetables that typically have a deep red or purple color. One of the most researched benefits of beets is their potential to lower blood pressure. Beets contain only 59 calories per cup 136 grams, and 13% of the DV for potassium. 5. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most nutritious vegetables on the planet. 1 cup 91 grams of broccoli has only 31 calories and over 100% of the amount of vitamin C that most people need per day. 6. Broth. There are many varieties of broth, including chicken, beef and vegetable. It can be eaten alone or used as a base for soups and stews. Depending on the type of broth, 1 cup, or about 240 milliliters, usually contains 7 to 12 calories. 7. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are highly nutritious vegetables. Research shows that eating Brussels sprouts may protect against DNA damage due to their high vitamin C content. These nutritional powerhouses only have 38 calories per cup, 88 grams. 8. Cabbage. Cabbage is a common ingredient in slaws and salads. Fermented cabbage is known as sauerkraut. It's very low in calories and contains only 22 calories per cup, 89 grams. 9. Carrots. Carrots are very popular vegetables. Most people associate good eyesight with eating carrots since they're rich in beta-carotene, which can be converted to vitamin A. A 1 cup serving, 128 grams, of carrots has only 53 calories and over 400% of the DV, daily value, for vitamin A. 10. Cauliflower. In recent years, cauliflower has become very popular as a substitute for higher carb vegetables or grains. 1 cup 100 grams of cauliflower has 25 calories and only 5 grams of carbs. 11. Celery. Celery is one of the most well-known, low-calorie foods. Its long, green stalks contain insoluble fiber that may go undigested through your body, thus contributing no calories. There are only 18 calories in 1 cup 110 grams of chopped celery. 12. Chard. It's extremely high in vitamin K. Chard is a nutrient that helps with proper blood clotting. 1 cup 36 grams of chard has only 7 calories and contains 374% of the DV for vitamin K. 13. Clementines. Clementines resemble mini oranges. 1 fruit, 74 grams, packs 60% of the DV for vitamin C and only 35 calories. 14. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are a refreshing vegetable commonly found in salads. Since cucumbers are mostly water, they're very low in calories. 1/2 cup, 52 grams, only has 8. 15. Fennel. Fennel is a bulbous vegetable with a faint licorice taste. Dried fennel seeds are used to add an anise flavor to dishes. There are 27 calories in 1 cup, 87 grams, of raw fennel. 16. Garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries as a remedy for various illnesses. Research suggests that it may decrease blood pressure and fight infections or even cancer. 1 clove, 3 grams, of garlic has only 5 calories. 17. Grapefruit. Grapefruit may decrease cholesterol levels and increase metabolism. There are 52 calories in half a grapefruit, 123 grams. 18. Iceberg lettuce. Even though most people think it's not as nutritious as other lettuces, iceberg lettuce is rich in vitamin K, vitamin A and folate. 1 cup, 72 grams, of iceberg lettuce has only 10 calories. 19. Jicama. 1 cup, 120 grams, of jicama has over 40% of the DV for vitamin C and only 46 calories. 20. Kale. Kale is a leafy green that has gained popularity in recent years for its impressive nutritional benefits. Kale is one of the richest sources of vitamin K in the world. 1 cup, 67 grams, has close to 7 times the amount of vitamin K that the average person needs per day and only 34 calories. 21. Lemons and limes. Citrus does more than just add flavor. Research shows that lemon juice has compounds that can act as antioxidants to fight and prevent diseases in your body. 1 fluid ounce, 30 grams, of lemon or lime juice has only 8 calories. 22. White mushrooms. Mushrooms are a type of fungus with a sponge-like texture. Mushrooms contain several important nutrients and have only 15 calories per cup, 70 grams. 23. Onions. Onions are a very popular vegetable. Even though the taste differs depending on the type, all onions have very few calories. 1 medium onion, 110 grams, has approximately 44. 24. Peppers. There are only 46 calories in 1 cup, 149 grams, of chopped, red bell peppers. 25. Papaya. Papaya is very high in vitamin A and a good source of potassium. 1 cup, 140 grams, of papaya has only 55 calories. 26. Radishes. Radishes have several beneficial nutrients and only 19 calories per cup, 116 grams. 27. Romaine lettuce. The calorie content of romaine is very low since it's high in water and rich in fiber. 1 leaf, 6 grams, of romaine lettuce has just a single calorie. 28. Rutabaga. Rutabaga is a root vegetable also known as swede. 1 cup, 140 grams, of rutabaga has 50 calories and only 11 grams of carbohydrates. 29. Strawberries. Studies show that eating berries may help protect you from chronic diseases, such as cancer and heart disease. There are less than 50 calories in 1 cup, 152 grams, of strawberries. 30. Spinach. Spinach is another leafy green that is loaded with vitamins and minerals and very low in calories. A 1 cup, 30 grams, serving of spinach has only 7 calories. 31. Sugar snap peas. Sugar snap peas are a delicious variety of peas. Snap peas are highly nutritious and contain almost 100% of the DV for vitamin C for only 41 calories in 1 cup, 98 grams. 32. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are also highly nutritious and contain a beneficial compound called lycopene. Research has shown that lycopene may protect against cancer, inflammation and heart disease. 1 cup, 149 grams, of cherry tomatoes has 27 calories. 33. Turnips. Turnips are white root vegetables with slightly bitter flesh. Turnips have several beneficial nutrients and only 37 calories per cup, 130 grams. 34. Watercress. Watercress is a leafy vegetable that grows in running water. 1 cup, 34 grams, of this vegetable provides 106% of the DV for vitamin K, 24% of the DV for vitamin C and 22% of the DV for vitamin A, and all for omega-4 calories. 35. Watermelon. Watermelon contains some of almost every nutrient and a high amount of vitamin C. There are 46 calories in 1 cup, 152 grams, of diced watermelon. 36. Zucchini. Zucchini is a green type of summer squash. Zucchini is also quite low in calories, with only 18 per cup, 124 grams. 37. Beverages, coffee, herbal tea, water, carbonated water. Plain water contains no calories. Most herbal teas and carbonated waters have 0 to very few calories, while black coffee has only 2 calories per cup, 237 grams. 38. Herbs and spices. Herbs and spices are used to add flavor to foods and are extremely low in calories. Common herbs that are eaten fresh or dried include parsley, basil, mint, oregano and cilantro. Some well-known spices are cinnamon, paprika, cumin and curry. Most herbs and spices have fewer than 5 calories per teaspoon. There are many delicious foods that are low in calories. Most of them are fruits and vegetables that also contain nutrients that benefit your health. Eating a variety of these foods will provide you with plenty of nutrients for a minimal amount of calories, and you will have rapid weight loss. If you found this video useful, head straight for the comment section. We would love to hear from you.